I hope you're still with me because we're coming to the pointy end of Ramadan, and at this stage we're feeling like, oh, I'm sick of food, I'm sick of the breakfasts, I don't know what else to eat. Well, guess what, guys? I've got another variation for you. It's in the form of a roll, but trust me, this is so jam-packed, full of flavor. You're going to want to make this and eat it too. And I'm using Fettayleh's American style skinless hot dogs. For this breakfast roll, as I said, American style hot dogs, they've got no skin. What I want to do is get beautiful charred grill marks on there. So I've got my grill preheating in half lengthways, also cut it in half. Now we want a few things on the go here. So the grill is preheating. I'm gonna throw my hot dogs straight in, no oil, just in there. I want those nice grill marks. And I'm going to preheat my pan because I want to wilt those spinach just a little bit. So medium heat for that. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil to help it along. That's Mikhail's favorite. Spinach straight in. Now this looks like a lot, but it will wilt down and look like nothing. A little pinch of salt. It's the Huda pinch of salt. Heat up our bread rolls just a little bit in the oven. Now for the halloumi, I want to pat dry it. It needs to be nice and dry because I want the delicious grill marks on that too. Spinach out. Now to this brekkie roll, for additional flavor, I'm going to add a rocket pesto that I made the other day. And for a little bit of a kick and tanginess, I'm adding a Sriracha ketchup. Crack my eggs straight in. All right, checking in on our hot dogs now. That grill mark. Our hot dogs are ready, and I'm just gonna put them in a plate and put them aside, ready for plate up, and get my halloumi cheese in there to achieve the same result. Can you see that our egg whites have been nicely cooked? So is our halloumi. Halloumi out, eggs are done. Everything's ready. It's time for the grand finale. Transfer these straight to our board, and I can keep going with the rest. And this is my ultimate brekkie roll, sure to please the senses, especially at this point in Ramadan where you just want something different. Yum.